So today I'm gonna tackle on clearing out all these weeds. We planted this tree about a year ago. This is an Alberta, a dwarf Alberta spruce. We planted it a year ago. It says it takes full sun. Now this area, we do get a lot of full sun in this area. We haven't really cleaned up this area since probably last year. So I'm gonna attempt to take out all these weeds, clean this up, and then mulch it up. Okay, so let's see. All right, guys. So I already took out all the weeds. All the weeds have been taken out. Now I'm gonna put new mulch on top. All right, so the mulch that I'm gonna use is some premium brown mulch that we got at Lowe's. I believe there was a sale going on. It was 3 for $10. Pick this up. Hopefully I put enough mulch, because the last time that I mulched, I was told that I put a little too much by the boss. So hopefully this time around I made her happy. I think I put a little bit of mulch. I don't think I overdid it with the mulch. So let's see. Okay. Yeah, I think I did a good job. What do you guys think? I think it looks good. All right, guys, so this is how you clean up the weeds. It doesn't take nothing much to it. It don't take no expert to remove weeds and mulch the ground, but it does make it look nice and neat after it's done. You see, I'm out of breath just doing this little project. All right, guys, see you next time, next video.